Hi, my name is Skylar. I'm part of the onboarding team here at workforce.com. Welcome to the platform. I'm excited to show you around, so let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to talk about is how to create and set your teams and locations. We're going to do that by going to the Workforce tab and then select Teams. From here in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see a green button that says Add. From there, you'll want to select Location. In this case, because I'm in our Chicago office, I'll go ahead and put Chicago. And then, of course, I'll also add in the address. Once I've created that, I'll just hit Create New Location. And now I can add some teams. I'll go ahead and add the onboarding team, as well as a few others. And in as simple as a few clicks, you've just created your first location and teams. At this point, we're going to want to go ahead and add your staff into the platform. So we'll go to the Workforce tab once more, but this time we're going to select Staff. From here, you'll go to the Add Staff in the upper right-hand corner button, and you'll see that you have a few options. The first one being the paperless onboarding. If we go ahead and click Invite New Employees, you'll see a few fields that you can fill out for the employee's demographics, such as name, email, phone, as well as the team that they're going to be a part of. Of course, you can also add a little customized message like welcome to the team. Once you've added all the information in, you can just simply hit Send Invite. Let's go back and check out some of the other options of how we can add staff into the system. We can go back and hit that Add Staff button. We can also bulk import staff. We hit this drop down, and we can do it by CSV. I have an example here that we can use in a Google Sheet. All of this information you want to have filled out, such as their name, maybe an employee ID, email, etc. You can simply download this as a CSV file. And then within the platform, you'll hit Import via CSV. You'll add your CSV file in. And you can map the data accordingly. So in this case, you'll do name and name, so on and so forth. Once you've mapped all of the data, you'll just hit import at the end of the page. Finally, there's one last way that you can add staff in. You'll go back to that staff page, you'll hit Add Staff, and then we'll create a new profile manually. Of course, we can add the employee name, set their time clock passcode, their phone number, add an email in, set their permission level. In this case, I'll go ahead and add them to a team as well. And just like that, you've created your first employee. Now that we have your staff in, you're ready to get started on your own. Of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us through the chat link in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Once again, I'm Skylar Gold, and welcome to workforce.com.